This is my brother named Malachi. He's learning his balance on a skateboard. He needs to stay steady. Okay, now here he goes.
I made flocky geese.
Okay, bring it back over here. Bring it back over here. Okay, I'm sorry, but that was hilarious. Okay, let's try it again. Okay.
Do it slow like you did.
Okay, so he's scared. He don't want to fall again. So let's do his steering. Steering's pretty good. Now here is it.
Do it slow.
Okay. Okay, bring it back. Bring it back over. Okay, there he is. So let's try this again. Okay? Let's try this again. Okay? Do you want to try it again? Okay. So here's his steering. He's pretty good. Now here's it.
It's because my foot is.
No. Here's when he goes again. He's doing pretty good this time. Well, that's the end of the video. Bye.